Bonjour Katu, we are one your Siuk Master French with Vidyansshu. In today's video, you are going to learn about the second set of pronouns, that is les pronoms disjonctifs. This is pronounced as disjonctif. This is also known as les pronoms toniques, and this is the first name, and it is also known by the name les, le pronom après, le preposition, preposition. So these are the other two names of the topic les pronoms disjunctive. It is used for the purpose of emphasizing a person, especially after prepositions or with say or ce sont. We will talk about the rules. First, jot down the pronunciations of all of these pronoun disjunctive. This is moi, toi, lui, elle, nous, vous, eux, and elle. Eux is the pronunciation, or it is also pronounced as O. So these are the pronunciations. The meanings are me, you, him, her, us, you, them, and them. These are the meanings. These are used for the purpose of emphasizing on any person. For genders, masculine, feminine, these both can be masculine or feminine singular. Masculine singular, feminine singular, again masculine or feminine plural, masculine or feminine singular. And the last two are for masculine plural, feminine plural. So the pronunciations are moi, toi, lui, elle, nous, vous, eux, and elle. Now there is one rule that these disjunctive pronouns are used after a preposition. Please note these prepositions down. The pronunciations are which means to, at, in, awake, which means with. Saw means without. The pronunciation is saw. Pook, siuk, she, dakreak, dakre, ak, and davon. There are many more prepositions, but for the time being, this is the list of some of the most commonly used prepositions. A means to, at, in, awake means with, saw means without, pook means for. Siuk has multiple meanings in French. We have to use the meaning in the context of the sentence. Chez means at the place of. Dakriak means behind or backside. Devant means in the front of or in front. So these are the prepositions which can be used, and after those prepositions we have to use pronoun disjunctive. So let's do some sentences to make you understand how these pronouns are going to be used. The first one is moi, j'aime le français. Me or I like French. This is the meaning. We haven't done the verb aimer since it is er ending verb, so it will be conjugated in the same manner how the er ending verbs are conjugated. This means to like or love. Second sentence, je viens avec toi. Since a preposition has been used, so we will use the disjunctive pronoun. This means I am coming with you. We have done the verb venir. Verb here is venir, which means to come. The third sentence is je parle de lui. I speak to him. De means to. This is also a preposition. I speak to him. Fourth, ce cadeau est pour elle. This means this gift is for her. Cadeau means gift. Ce cadeau, pour means for, and elle means her. This gift is for her. Again, preposition pour. Elle travaille avec nous. Avec is used after preposition, disjunctive pronoun. Travailler is the preposition, is the verb over here, which means to work. She works with us. Sixth sentence. Le professeur d'acriac vous. Position over here is d'acriac, which means behind. The teacher is behind you. This is how we write sentences and make use of disjunctive pronoun in French. Je vais avec eux. I'm going with them. Preposition avec is used, which means with. Next sentence. Vous travaillez sans elle. Sans means without. You are traveling without them. So let's take up one sentence in répondez form. Monsieur et Madame Lavigne dînent avec Monsieur et Madame Dupuis. So how will we respond to this? We have to use disjunctive pronouns. Il mange, yes, they are eating, with. Now we have used a preposition, so we will change this into a disjunctive pronoun. We will use O for masculine plural noun. Since there is a masculine gender over here, that is Mr. Dubai, so we will use U. So this is how we change in répondre form. Let's take up another rule. Whenever we use say or ce sont, we always use disjunctive pronoun. That's the rule. Pronoun. So let's take one example. C'est moi qui parle. Say means it is or this is. So this is or it is me. Qui means who. Parle means is talking or is speaking. It is me who is speaking. Moi has been used with say. With ce sont, eux, ils dansent. This means they are the ones who are dancing. They are the ones who are dancing. This is the formation which is used with say and ce sont. So this is how we use disjunctive pronouns with preposition and with ce sont. These are the second category of pronouns. I'll share the link of the subject pronouns also. Kindly visit the video and understand how and when which particular subject pronoun will be used. And if you understood the contents of this video, kindly like the video, share it with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel Master French with Vidyansshu. Please press the bell icon so that you can get all the future updates on time. Après, bientôt.